finally! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be vlogging my week again, and this is my third week into online classes, and so far I've been doing great naman, and sana mag-continue on to for the next weeks to go. And for now I'll be vlogging from Monday to Friday this week kasi yung lang ng Saturday because mapapagod na ako. But anyway, so today is Monday, September 21, and it's already 9:05 a.m. And today I don't have any classes kasi usually at this time, like 9 to 12, this is my NSTP class. Pero we are going asynchronous, so we don't have to meet every week. So the last time we met was last week lang. That was our first meeting then. And from starting this week and till the next week, hindi na kami mag-meet, and then mga siguro 3 times lang kami siguro mag-synchronous classes. And so today, so free ako, and ngayong 11 to 12 we have our app orientation for ASAFIL. And ayun, nag-ready lang ako, and nag-ready kami ni Lex kasi kami yung heads, yung memcom heads ng ASAFIL, and we'll be hosting the app orientation. So ayun, nagpa-prepare lang kami ng presentation and yung flow ng events. So I'll be showing to you guys our orientation pub. Wala lang, ang cute kasi. I'll put it here. And nag-DP blast na sila kagabi, pero kasi bawal pa ako mag-DP blast dahil student council. So after pa. Guys, it's already 10 something, mga 10:40 na siguro, and nagpalit lang ako ng top. Kasi wala lang. Nag-makeup lang ako slide para lang gising. Pero yan po yung bago naming addition sa family. Nagpapa-makeup din po siya. Char. Hello! Her name is Bargos. And then this is Mary Poppins. 4 months pa lang yan, pero ang laki-laki na namin ko. Kung saan-saan siya nagkakalat. Nga, puppy. She's pasaway. Right? Right? Being everywhere. Nga. I got her from my brother kasi yung brother ko maraming chow-chow. Ayan. It's already 2:35 and nag-lunch na ako. Kanina natapos yung order namin mga around before 12:30 naman. And bigla kasi pinaliguan ni Daddy si Bargos. So ayun, nag-binlower ko pa, tapos nag-lunch na ako. Tapos umihi siya, tapos nilinis ko rin. Ayun, so the struggle. Anyway, now I'm going to be drafting my exercise for my design class. Watch me draft. Hey guys, it's already 7:27 p.m. And ngayon ako natapos. Finally. Tingnan mo naman yan. Pero I mean, yan kasi yung pattern na to. Pero wala na. At least tapos na ako. Ayoko na. Tapos na. Anyway, yan yung kalat ko. And dapat meron pa akong gagawin na isa today, pero hindi ko na natapos. Kasi tinapos ko na to para tomorrow, hindi ko na siya gagawin. I'll be updating you guys tomorrow kasi I'll have dinner na and maybe rest na cause meron akong class tomorrow, I think. I'm not sure, but maybe if not, I'm just gonna self-study lang naman. Want me to go down na? You want me to go down na? Want me to go down? You want me to go down na? Aba! Want me to go down? Yeah. Huy! We're going down na! Pagod, let's go! Come on, let's go! Hey guys, today is Tuesday, August 22, and it's already 9:54 a.m. Gising na ako mga around before 9, pero yun na. Napahiga pa rin ako kasi wala naman akong online class. So for today, ang gagawin ko lang naman is study math, study physics, tapos study yung sa NSTP. Basta basahin ko lang yung common module fini. Kasi kahapon hindi ko nagawa since sobrang tagal ko dun sa ARC 21. Tapos, I'm also going to do the reflection paper for ARC 21 as well. So, I'll get back to you guys later and mag-aaral muna ako for physics and math. Yes. Hey guys, it's already 1:15 p.m. and magla-lunch lang ako. And kakatapos ko lang mag-aral ng physics tsaka math. Tapos nag-take na rin ako ng mga personality test for NSTP. So, reflection na lang gagawin ko. So, kain muna ako. Hey guys, it's already 3:12 p.m. and natapos na ako. Sa lahat na kailangan kong gawin. Hey guys, time check. It's already 4:26 p.m. and nakapag-post na ako sa mga kailangan kong gawin and nagme-merienda lang ako. Merienda ko, milk lang, tsaka Nutella and pandesal. Tapos, I posted this na rin. Kaka-post ko lang. Hey guys, so it's already 8:40 a.m. and it's Wednesday. So for today, I have 2 synchronous classes in the morning. Tapos, currently, I'm in the call na for our math class. Just waiting for it to start. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you later. Guys, so it's already 1:10 p.m. and nakapag-study na ako for physics. Tapos yung dalawang online classes ko kanina. And then now, I'm going to be drafting. Ito. Yan. Pero lalakihan ko kasi kailangan 1 sheet per floor. Kasi medyo malaki yung paper. So, lalakihan ko pa siya. So, good luck to me. Anyway, I'll be drafting muna for now. Wala na naman yata akong kailangan gawin in the afternoon after this. But hopefully, if ever I finish early, I might do the paper na rin para tapos na lahat for Friday. So, I'll get back to you guys later. Yan, I'm done na. May edit ko naman yung mga dots na yan. Kasi pinagpatong ko lang, pero at least tapos na ako. Ayun, ito yung isa, pero baka mag-reflection paper pa naman ako, pero at least done na. Hey guys, time check, it's 7:44 p.m. And ngayon ako nakapag-update kasi kanina when I finished my plate, wala na pala ako kailangan gawin. Wala pa palang paper na due. Kala ko lang pala meron. Pero nag-order kasi sa akin ng digital planner, so I'm currently editing it. Kanina pa ako nag-edit as in kasi customized siya. So, I've been customizing the theme, everything, kasi more or less super different siya dun sa mga ginawa ko from before. Siguro I'll be updating you guys na tomorrow. So, I'll just have my dinner and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day, September 24. It's 9:53 a.m. and may class ako ng 10 to 12. And then I have to study for math and physics again kasi everyday may lesson, as in meron kang PowerPoint na kailangan aralin. And I don't wanna, ayoko ma-backlog, so I really have to do it day by day para hindi ako natatambakan ng gagawin. So, I'll keep you guys updated and I'll see you later. Hey guys! Time check, it's 12:31 p.m. and hindi kami nag-online kasi nawawala yung prof namin. Kasi yung mga dati niyang sinend na Zoom links, hindi naman yun parang recurring meeting. So, di rin namin alam kung saan kami pupunta and wala rin siyang in-email kung mayroong Zoom link. And yung class namin na yun is 10 to 12:30 p.m. And yun, 12:30 na. So, sabihin wala na. So, while I was waiting, nag-aral na lang din ako ng math. So, tapos na ako doon. I just have to study for physics naman. Anyway, I'll be studying physics first and then I'll update you guys later. Hey guys, so it's 3:19 p.m. and I've been doing org work the past since 1 yata. After I studied physics, nag-org work na ako. And I'm just doing the general assembly for the apps na PowerPoint, mga kailangan gawin. I'm still not done kasi lalagay ko na lang siya as a friend. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Hindi lang naman yung kailangan ko ilagay kasi tapos na ako dun sa PowerPoint itself. Hindi na sa team pero ang cute niya kasi so hayaan mo na siya dyan. Hey guys, so today is Friday finally. But today, 4 yung classes ko. Well, yung isa consultation. So if wala naman akong tatanungin. I can just skip that. But today, I am going to have a math class, Arc 17 class, a French class, and then the last one, yung physics. Zoom na ako, ayan, and then I have my breakfast. So, dapat kasi cereal na kakainin ko, but then I found bread, so it's like, okay, let's just eat them both, then konti na lang yung cereal. So, I'm gonna be having my breakfast while I'm listening to this one.
Ça s'écrit S B H F. C'est quoi Sophia? D'accord. Elle s'appelle Sophia. Ok, canadien. Féminine double N I E. U-Z-I. C-A-N-A-D-I-E. U-Z-I. Canadien.
Ito yung ginawa ko kanina, ayan, tapos may figures na, ayan, so feel ko naman madali lang siya pag na-figure out mo na kung paano gamitin talaga yung mga tools. Pero yan, dyan ako nagtagal kasi I was figuring out how to really place kung saan magsa-start yung arc, ayun, so at least I'm done na. Time check, it's 6:14 p.m. and I just finished the thing I was doing kanina, yung sakad, around 20 minutes ago, and nag-rest lang ako, slide. And tapos ko na rin yung math homework ko and yung physics, tinatry ko pa rin tapusin kasi hindi ko talaga mag-gets kung ano nangyayari dun sa quiz na yon. But anyway, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any video suggestions. That's it, and thank you for watching.